Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make money on Acorns. Alright, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Acorns website, and let's go ahead and get started. So whether you are a beginner or looking to optimize your investments, the step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to walk you through will show you how to turn your everyday spending into a growing investment portfolio using the Acorns web app. So first things first, just head over to acorns.com, which is here, and click on Get Started. And once you click on this button, you'll be prompted to create an account. Now, Acorn offers several subscription plans. You have the personal plan, which is $3 per month. This includes investment, retirement, and checking accounts. And of course, you have your personal plus, which costs $5 per month. Here, it adds features like custom portfolios and priority support. And you have premium plan, which goes for $9 per month. It offers everything in personal plus investment accounts for kids, estate planning, and more. So go ahead and choose the plan that best fits your financial goals. And after setting up your account, link your primary spending account. This allows Acorns to track your transactions and apply the roundups feature, which we will discuss pretty much very soon. So Acorns uses Plaid, a secure platform to connect your bank account safely. Roundups is Acorns' signature feature. It rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.75, Acorns rounds it up to $3 and invest the $0.25 difference. To activate, just navigate to the invest section on the dashboard. I hope you find, I'm so sorry I'm not able to create an account on Acorns, right? Because it's restriction, it's location based. All right, so just once you log in and you've signed in, you're going to see the invest section. So go ahead and navigate to the invest section on the dashboard, click on roundup settings, then toggle the switch to on. You can also choose to multiply the roundups by up to 10x to accelerate your investing. Now, I'd like you to know that consistency is key in investing. So go ahead and set up recurring contributions to grow your portfolio steadily. And here's how to do it. Just go to the invest section, then click on recurring investments, choose the amount and frequency, either daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm your settings. Even small regular investments can compound significantly over time. Also, Acorns allows you to earn bonus investments when you shop with over 12,000 partner brands. So click on the Earn tab on your homepage, browse the list of partner offers, click Shop Now on an offer, which redirects you to the retailer site. Complete your purchase as well. The partner will automatically invest a percentage of your purchase into the Acorns account. You can also install the Acorns Earn Chrome extension to get notifications about available offers while browsing. Also, if you refer friends and families, you can earn from there. So share the wealth. Acorns referral program rewards you for inviting others. Click on the Invite Friends tab. Share your unique referral link via email or social media. For each friend who signs up and start investing, you will receive a bonus investment. Occasionally, Acorns offers limited time referral bonuses of up to $1,200. Then monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Educate yourself with Acorns Learn, where you can enhance your financial literacy. And with Acorns Learn, it is a resource hub offering articles, videos, and tutorials on investing and personal finance. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.